Konnichiwa. Welcome to another Korean food video. And today we are to ice cream.
Just now I saw someone eating it, so we walked down along the road and we saw this shop that sells this green tea ice cream. It's 470 yen each, so Pui and I got one each. I think if you have the budget, you can actually rent kimonos for a day. We've rented at Kyoto Kimono Rental Wargo. They have a pretty good range of kimonos there. They have different plan categories, and we went ahead with the couple's premium kimono plan.
Let's go. We both got our kimonos. It took about 1.5 hours. Yeah, plus choosing and everything, and we decided to add a little bit more accessories. Gion is a historical district in Kyoto, which is known for Japanese geishas. Walking around in Gion with our kimonos feels like we are blending into the culture. Konnichiwa. While walking around in Gion, we actually managed to catch a glimpse of a couple of geishas in the back alleys. Just had our dinner in this small little bar underground, and the bar is so quiet and so cozy.
Chilly.
The prices are affordable.
Yeah, it's pretty affordable compared to the other restaurants that we went to.
Yeah.
Scouting around, trying not to look for hot pot. Because
Yeah.
all their hot pot was like 3,000 yen per pax.
That's all for today. We're gonna walk some more and shop around and then go check into the hotel. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.